Okay, so hello YouTube. If you're seeing this video, that means you're wondering what the heck is the archive? Well, I made a bot, which is basically just created to help you archive your characters to ensure you have them saved. It's to help you, I don't know why I opened Discord. It's to help you kind of just remember your characters. To get the bot in your server, the invite link will be in the description. Copy that invite link. Open your browser and then paste the link in the search, and it should probably open Discord, I believe. Yeah, you'll get this open, this pop-up. Select your server, and then just go down to click continue. It has administrator because I don't know what specific permissions are required, so yeah. Okay, and then as you saw right here, the bot is added. All right. The first command, this is the prefix. Make sure that there's no space between the prefix and the actual command like that. It has to be like this to make it work. These are all the commands. I did forget one. It's the list feature, which I'll add in a moment. After this video, I'll still show it, but after the video, if you'll add it, then it'll have the list feature. I'll go through each command one by one and show you what it does and how to do it. First, the template. The template is pretty easy. It just sends you that template. You can an optional template you can use for your characters. You can upload your own text, your own template, or whatever. Just I'm pretty sure if it's bigger than 2,000 words, though, it'll upload as a text file. I don't know, but that's what that does. The generate ID is also pretty easy to understand. It generates an ID like that that you can use when adding your character, which pretty sure is the next one. Yep. Let me snatch a character design or character sheet I have here. Okay. So TA add 906Q that and paste. That's the link. I didn't copy the. There we go. Okay. Send it. Boom. And now I can do TA view 906Q to see it. And then I can do TA list to see all my archived characters. I may actually add a grouping feature in the future. I don't know yet. Just to help it make more sense and make it more, organized. That was right here is the feature I forgot in here. Next is edit. That is pretty self-explanatory. TA edit 90QA or 906Q. Wow, that was weird. You can just change the text and then does that, and then you can view it to see the update. Delete ID 906. It just deletes it, and then you can. Oh, whoops! I was confused there. 906Q, 906Q. There we go. TA list. Boom! It's gone. Commands. It shows this. Invite just invites the bot. Just gets the invite link. The server gets the link to the Discord server right here, which is going to be in the description as well. Purge deletes all characters, but it does require confirmation. Let me quickly show y'all what that does. Copy text. Boop. For some reason, it glitches out like that, so I'm pretty sure I have it. Rest. What? Oh, that was the show. Okay. That was weird. I was so confused. So 906Q TA add 906U. Boop. Okay, there we go. TA purge. Are you sure you want to delete all your characters? Type confirm. And then all characters will be deleted, and it shows how many characters were deleted. And then bug report. This is actually that. Boop. It DMs me directly. with the bug report, just so I'm able to see it personally. I'm pretty sure that should be all the features to show. If you have any questions or just simply need help or want to hang out, then you can feel free to join the support and community server. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the bot. See ya, peepers!